Hello everyone. Today we will discuss class 5 English literature lesson 11. The topic name is all about trains. So today we will discuss how the trains were made and from when it started and what about trains we will discuss in this lesson. So a toy train set complete with sound, light and motion may have been the best toy we ever had. Okay, so this is about our childhood when we are small children, like toy train. We might have played with toy trains. So with sound, light and motion, we have been the best toy we ever had. The toy train we enjoyed playing. Then even adults like children get excited when they hear the shrill whistle of a steam engine. Okay, what happens is adults or grown-ups, big ones like little children, then the children get excited. They feel happy and surprised when they hear the sound of steam engine or sound of train. Then can you imagine life without train? So question is for us, can you imagine life without train? It means if there is no train, what would life be? Okay, how the life would have been. Do you know when the first train was operated and why? Okay, so next question is, do you know when the first train was operated, made or started, and why did they begin the first train? So here we have the story of trains as we know them today began nearly 200 years ago. Okay, how many years ago the story of train began? 200 years ago. The first ever passenger train in England between Stockton and Darlington in 1825 was made to improve the wool trade. Okay, so the first train was made or the passenger train was run between England between Stockton to Darlington, and in which year? That was in 1825. Okay, and this train was made to improve the wool trade. Okay, this train was for the wool trade. In India, the first train steamed off with a 21-gun salute on 16 April 1833. Okay, in India, when the train started, that was in 16 April 1833 with 14 railway carriages, and the train has how many railway carriages? 14 railway carriages and 400 guests. And how many guests were there? 400 guests. The train set off from Bombay's Bori Bunder to Thane. Okay, the train started from in Bombay from Bori to Bunder to Thane. It was hauled by 3 locomotives. They were Sindh, Sultan and Sahib. Okay, the journey took an hour and 15 minutes. To reach from Bori Bunder to Thane, it took 1 hour 15 minutes. Interestingly, it was trade of cotton that prompted the journey of the first ever train on the Indian subcontinent. Because of the wool trade, because of the cotton, the first train was made or the first train started. Thereon, the Indian Railway, with a modest beginning in 1853, has grown tremendously to become an integral part of the nation. Okay, after that, slowly, the railway department, they developed their railways, they developed their trains. Okay,